Good morning, guys. Hi. Good morning. Can you hear me and see me? Just let me know, please. Hello, Kaya and everyone. Hi. Hi, Katie. Can you hear me? Hi, Destiny. How are you? Yes. Hi, Erin. Great. Great. So, as we're all just getting comfortable, coming into position, choosing ourselves, which is actually the least selfish thing, greatest gift you could give to the world is choosing yourself. Hi, guys. Good morning. When we choose ourselves, it's we're choosing to come into a higher rendition of who we are. So we're remembering that in every moment there's a fork in the road. There's a fork in the road, and we get to either refine ourselves and go deeper into the truth of who we are, or we take another choice which could hamper us in a way or just be a great learning lesson. We don't beat ourselves up, we just continue to refine ourselves. So that growth space, what I love here is that we grow, but we hold ourselves in high regard. Hi, Farsi. We hold ourselves in high regard as we refine ourselves in the choices that we make. We pause from a higher perspective, and we're able to say, this might not be the easiest in this moment choice to make, but I know it's what feels most in alignment for me. And so really what we're working on this week too is that wellness. When I say all is well, what does that mean? All is well. That wellness is that we know we've connected again. We've gone deep into, who we are. We see ourselves in a really high perspective. So we're clear. So we're able to see our past and even feel out a bit of our future because we're present. And in that's where the wellspring comes, where all is well. So we carry that present moment wellness. So that's where we're able to heal, all the wounds. We're able to forgive ourselves and to forgive others. We're able to stop judging and moving into divisiveness all the time. Divisiveness is really, it's in a hey page, it's in a divisiveness and separation and judgment are, in those frequencies that will keep us in negativity, and they'll keep us seeing what's wrong. And that wellness space, when we're really embodied and clear again, we really get to that wellspring that we feel within ourselves. It's abundant, and so we share it into the world. And we don't just keep it for special moments. We keep it for everything. So when I'm at the beach, when I'm helping my elderly dog, when I'm with a stranger, when I'm negotiating a hardship in my family, when I can feel something that, the anger coming towards me, that wellness is still springing, that wellspring coming through me. So not only does it keep me in position, that all is well, but it gives other people an opportunity to see them for themselves too. And they may decide to jump in. It's like, wow, I'm going to jump into that perspective as well, because this other one was wearing me out. It's exhausting. It is exhausting to stay in suffering. That's an exhausting space to exist from. It's exhausting to stay in worry. It's exhausting to be sick all the time. And to blame, the blame game, the victimhood, that stuff is exhausting. That wellspring, embodiment, presence, that's invigorating. So I'm invigorated. This is what we're going for here, guys. The wellness. jumping on the wellness train. And that's your natural state. Anyways, that's you naturally. All the other stuff is unnatural. So let's get going. As we take a deep breath in, we're just going to be doing more of this week because, you know, it is really simple. We just got to let go. You just need to let go. So the clarity comes in, so the higher perspective comes in, and then we get to choose really, really beautifully. So today we're going to step into a waterfall. It's a wellness waterfall. We're just going to wash away and let go of all the debris. Sometimes when I see people, they feel like sticky. Some people feel almost like ashes. They feel like they're just ashes. Some people feel like tar when I tap into them. Some people feel like really rotting. I know that might sound strange, but those are frequencies that are running inside of a lot of people. So when that wellspring opens up, you just feel really clear and powerful, strong boundaries, strong bones, strong body. And everybody can do this. So looking at your waterfall, just standing on the edge of it, about to step into the water, feeling the wellness of the water, the elixir. It's the frequencies that we're starting to generate here together. So stepping into the water as we move beautifully towards the waterfall. It's almost like pulling you. It's like that magnetism. It's pulling you, pulling your heart, your body, and your mind closer. This is the end of your suffering. This is the end of your aches and pains. This is the end of fear. So feeling yourself getting pulled graciously towards the waterfall, where the waterfall whispers, all is well. Let that truth really reverberate for you today. So before we go under, let's take note of the mind. What's coming up for you? Do you still get pulled out of that beautiful, expansive mind, that spiritual intelligence? Do you come into worry or future anxiety, or what's happening there? Feeling the body. A lot of people clearing a lot in the body right now. It's a beautiful thing. So feeling what you're ready to release, to bring in activate the wellness within you, the wellspring. And then your heart. What are you afraid to let go of? Pulling that forward in the highest. There we go. So when I count to 3, we're going to step into the wellness waterfall. And we're going to allow it to help us activate within us what it means to be well, to be balanced, to be peaceful, to be loving, to be constantly healing. As we take a deep breath in, 1, 2, 3, and stepping in, guys. Here we go. And just feeling that waterfall just washing through, pouring through the headspace. The clearest, cleanest water bubbling through you like an elixir, washing through your shoulders, washing through your lungs, your heart, just cascading through every cell, taking a stronghold. Washing through digestion, all the organs, reproduction, the hips, the legs, the feet. There we go. And just allowing it to just keep flowing, guys. Looking up, cleansing your eyes, bringing your vision back, bringing your hair back into health, bringing the mind back, the hearing, the smell, the taste, the touch, all the beautiful things, bringing them back, bringing back your discernment. That's a high frequency discernment where you can see what is right for you, making it so clear. Let's get quiet. As we start to feel that wellness generating from the heart, that wellspring, a deep connection to yourself, to your creator. Very little separation there, getting so tucked into that. It's like you're being hugged by creator, by creation. This is where we understand that all is well. Let that wash through. This is your true home. You take this with you through this life and then after. This is the all is well. It's that remembering that union, your higher self and you. At one again. This is where true safety exists. Battle is over. Suffering is over. worry is over. Taking a strong hold now and really locking in this wellspring that all is well. Going to it time and time and time again until it's so natural. You stay. Never to leave yourself again. So take a deep breath in, pulling out of the waterfall, pulling out of the water on the riverbank, and just coming back to where you are. But always holding. That's the practice. We practice here until it's so natural for all of us. And just opening our eyes and just seeing how we feel. How do we feel? You're welcome, Anna. You are welcome. All is well. Hey, Lisa. You're welcome, Paige. Yeah, you're welcome, guys. You're welcome, Maggie. Everybody's going through such big, like big stuff right now, guys. Lots of big stuff right now. Connected, exactly. I smiled when you asked. That's a good sign. All is well. You can even just say that to yourself when things are happening. Challenges come in that maybe get us into feeling discomfort. All is well. It can be like a key for you to get really quickly back into that remembering. So, these are the tools, and they're within you. They're within you. That's what I love so much. Okay, guys. I hope you have a beautiful day. Practice. Please keep sharing. The more of us who remember that, the more effortless the shift. So, okay. Have a great day, guys.